Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. These are the ingredients we are using for today's lemon and sugar cookies. So we have our baking powder, baking soda, the salts, lemon zest, vanilla essence, our egg, which we will only be using the egg yolk, our flour, the sugar, and the one we'll be using for the coating. This is also our light brown sugar. This is the butter, which is half cup. Our lemon, which we've zested, and then we'll cut and then bring out a tablespoon of the juice. This is the baking pan and then the baking paper, our cooling rack, and then our plate for serving. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So we'll add in the light brown sugar and then the sugar, and then we'll cream it till light and fluffy. The lemon zest, and the lemon juice. Then we mix everything together. So we set this aside, and then we come here. We add in baking powder, and then we use this spoon here to mix everything together. So we add it in, and then we combine everything together until a uniform dough is obtained. So we are almost there. A few mixes in and then we are good to go. So we add in just a little, about a tablespoon, and then we mix. So this is everything. We are going to chill it for 60 minutes, which is an hour, and then after that we'll scoop them and then place them here for baking. So this is it. After taking it out of the fridge, you can see it's very stiff, as we want it to be. So I'm going to use the spoon here to scoop some. Roll it out in our palm like this, and then we roll it in the sugar. And we place it here onto the baking paper. We do the same for this. Roll it place it in the sugar. We will place it here. So this is how everything looks like. We are going to bake this at 160 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This year, I would like you to try every recipe that we post on the channel and then give me feedback in the comment section. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notification icon with the inscription all, so that every Thursday and Sunday if we post new videos, you will find it. And we post short videos from Monday to Sunday, so you can check that out as well. Follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and here on YouTube by subscribing. Help us to grow this channel. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.